To begin with, go to Global tab and select double-click typable value on control. Put the wavetable an octave high, and add 4 voices of unison. And set the detune to 0.06, and blend to 60. Also reduce the random phase to 30 and increase the volume level to 100. On oscillator B select BS2 filthy wavetable. Next select sync 1/2 on the warp mode and increase it to 1.35. Next put the wavetable an octave high, and add 4 voices of unison, and set the detune to 0.06, and blend to 60. Also reduce its volume level to about 35. Next start shaping envelope 1 like this, 0 millisecond attack, -0 dB sustain, 78 milliseconds halt, 932 millisecond decay. And release to about 149 milliseconds. Next set LFO1 to envelope and trip mode and set the rate to around 4.7 Hz and shape the LFO to something like this. Next enable the filter and route LFO1 to the cutoff. Also put the second wavetable an octave higher. For the plugin FX add hyper with rate to about 60%, detune to about 28%, and add 4 voices of unison and set the mix to 24%. Next add some multiband compression, with threshold set to -11.23 dB, mix to around 87%. Ratio to 2:1. Settings. Next add a low cut EQ. And route LFO1 to the high frequency band and the gain. OTT. A low cut EQ, Valhalla room for some texture. Another low cut EQ. Camel Crusher with British clean preset. Also another lock cut EQ. The almighty sound goodizer. Fruity reverb 2. EQ, and another final EQ to cut out harsh frequencies.